DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan like this week na be una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern
DJM TV.
Who kept hoping and promising that he will be able to unconstitutionally get them, the House of Assembly, to be reproclaimed, even after the courts had settled the matter. So they did not come for inauguration, and on their own unconstitutionally refused to come and represent the people who elected them. So much so that after the statutory period, for more than 180 sitting days, they did not come. In fact, for almost a year, they refused to come and represent the people who sent them there. And you see, we are governed by law and the Constitution. And so those seats became void. They were declared vacant. That is what the rules say, that's what the Constitution says. And they went to court after that the seats were declared vacant by the Speaker. And they're in court. So there's nothing I can do at this point in time. I mean, I wish, I prayed it didn't happen, but people were playing God and told them they will do what was not constitutionally possible. And that is where we're here today. And let us be clear.
They are begging you to return. And
they cannot beg me. It is not about me. I am an elected governor of Edo State. I am not the one that plants people into the House of Assembly. They on their own have operated the rules of the House the way it should be, and the seats are now vacant. We should learn that our democracy is underpinned by the Constitution and the law. We just can't, even if I wanted to today to bring them in, I don't have such powers. And that should be made very, very clear. I don't have anything personal against any of them, but I cannot, on my own, because I don't have that authority to bring them back into the House.
Excellency, like I said, former Governor of Lagos State, he said you are not a Democrat by that action that you took of excluding them. Are you, after your re-election, affirming here that you're a Democrat and you follow democratic processes?
Democratic processes are underpinned in our Constitution. It is the concept of godfatherism that is undemocratic. The concept of some people who are not governed by the Constitution, remote controlling constitutional operators, that is democratic, and it's good. If we didn't stop it, it would have derailed our democracy. So whoever is talking from Lagos is not and cannot be a Democrat.
Not at all.
Yes. Your election has come and gone.
Yes.
Yeah, your fellow contestant, Izzy Yamutu, said he's still going to court on pre-election matters on the ground that you are not qualified to contest the election. How do you react to this?
I'll wait for the courts to make that decision.
And so it is believed that one of the things that made you to vote for you was what you did in your first term. What should be the expectation of people for you in this second term?
It's a much more difficult environment, and that is where we are focusing. You have to understand that for us in Edo, we run elections every 2 years. So I don't have the luxury of most other governors of operating for like 3 years before I have another election. Within the next 2 years, we're going to be, in another 2 years, we're going to be running national elections. So I have an 18-month window to work. And by the grace of God, we've had experience. We've been doing some background work, and you will see in the next few months how we unveil our plans and what it is.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Chairman.
Bye-bye.
DJM TV.
My brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this.
DJM TV.